What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to Skin to Nature, where we believe in health, family, skincare, and living a sustainable life. How to make aloe vera at home. First things first, what you're going to want to do is go to the grocery store in the specialty aisle of the produce section and get your aloe vera leaf. After you do that, then you're going to slice it in half, cut it down the sides, and preserve the insides as shown. We are going to take a waste not, want not approach, and we are going to save the leaves on this as well. Look at this beautiful insides of the aloe vera leaf. Now we're going to add them to the blender. It's finally done. Alright, let's go ahead and strain it. And there you have it. It's all done. You just made your own homemade aloe vera gel that will last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator in a sealed container. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you don't miss out.